Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, today we are playing Piggy. Let's go. First I will buy the skin because I have 545 rupees. I don't know why I don't buy these. Why? There's not in there. Why? Okay now. Okay, where's okay, I have many rupees. I can afford to 545 Billy. Okay. Okay, then I will buy. I need to buy clowning. Wait. Okay, let's go. Oh, forest map. The pig is here only. What to do now? I want to go there. Gonna go. Nice. Why the pig is not killing? The dog is killing. Okay. Just run. Because the dog is also mad. Oh. What's that? Oh no. The piggy. Why I'm seeing her granny, I don't know. But I need white key. I mean, it's half already done, so okay, let's do once again. Wait, I will die first. Okay, now let's do it in fast, and it's my last game. I just started it, but yeah, I don't want to leave when it will be over. Wait, guys. Yes, guys, I came in next game. I'm just joking, not the next game. Okay, I get in next game. By mistake I choose Carnival. I need Metro only. So all people have chosen Metro. By the way, my favorite map is Carnival. I don't know why, but it's easy. But I like it. But because it's interesting also. Okay, clear. Okay, not me. Tamish. We are almost about here. I just need to rest a little. Don't worry, but we are getting out of here. Okay, guys, sorry for the background noise. Purple key, yes, I need purple key. Okay, so the piggy has come. Here the piggy has spawned. The pig is here only. Okay. Let's go down first. Okay, green key. And then we're going to get the correct. But I need first. What are you doing? Okay, first. I'm not coming here. But still. Check. sorry for the background noise. Is the piggy there or not? I don't know, but I have to go down for now. I have purple key or okay, he died. I am scared now. Just a little bit scared. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't come here. He's coming here, Bundy. Okay, we have to go from there. What's this? Right down, right down. Okay, I can't do anything. I want carnival map. Last game. It's my last game. The intermission is so late. 30 seconds. Someone just got me. No one is having the game. Only me in the game. I can play it now, sir. Okay, let's go. I know what will select it. Will be selected. You better be ready, Mr. P. I'm coming for you. Okay, so I have found it library yet. So I have to open it. First I will check. Bad timing. That's a bad timing. Okay. Wait. Okay guys, the biggest one is me. We will go from here because we have right key. Okay. Okay guys, the pig is going for 20 seconds. I think she has got the plank, so she's running so fast. Oh my goodness. Thank God she told me about that. Okay. That's scary. Whistle of a clown. He's also a clown. Okay, guys, we're about to exit. We just need a code, key code, and someone had because it's not here. So, okay, so sorry for the background noise. Okay, we have just need a key code. For key code, we need gun, and for gun, we need fresh. And someone had it, but it doesn't open the door. And I'm dead. And the last, no. forget to like and subscribe my video. And take care and bye bye. Yeah.